Ethical and social implications of artificial intelligence and how it impacts our daily lives. AI systems often rely on vast amounts of personal data, raising privacy issues. Individuals may unknowingly divulge personal information to an AI system, which could potentially be exploited or misused. AI can inadvertently perpetuate biases presented in training data. For instance, facial recognition algorithms have shown biases when detecting people's gender being more accurate for Caucasian men than for men with darker skin. As AI becomes more autonomous, establishing frameworks for accountability is crucial. Robust regulations and accountability mechanisms are essential to ensure responsible AI development and deployment. AI's rapid evolution affects global power dynamics and national politics. Countries that fail to adapt or strategically align their AI policies risk falling behind in the technological race. Understanding and addressing the ethical and social implications of AI is vital. Through responsible development and inclusive dialogue, we can harness AI's potential for the benefit of all. Till next time, tot ziens.